Hello friends, I welcome you in lecture number 8 on permutations and combinations. In this lecture, we will discuss one problem on permutations and combinations which was asked in GTU Summer 2025 exam. The problem is find total number of diagonals in a polygon with n sides. We are familiar with polygon. Polygon is nothing but a closed two-dimensional figure with its sides as straight line segments. For example, we know that if we have triangle, then this is a polygon with three sides. Similarly, square is an example of polygon with four sides, and we may have any polygon with n sides. So in short, polygon is a closed figure with its sides as straight line segments. And here we have to answer that in any polygon with n number of sides, what will be the total number of diagonals. For example, if we talk about this triangle, then we can see that there is no diagonal in the triangle. In square, we can join these vertices and we find that there are two diagonals in a square, which is a polygon with four sides. Similarly, we can trial and error find out the number of diagonals in a polygon with given number of sides. But suppose we have a polygon with n equal to 100 sides, then it is not comfortable to count the number of diagonals in a polygon with n equal to 100 sides or large number of sides. So here we have to answer that what is the formula for counting the total number of diagonals in a polygon with n sides. So that we can understand in this way. Suppose we consider square. So we know that in square we have four sides and therefore we have four vertices. Suppose these are the four vertices of a square, which is a polygon with four sides. Now suppose we want to count the number of diagonals in a square or in a polygon with four sides. So before counting the diagonals, first we determine that how many straight line segments are possible by joining any two out of these four vertices. Here we have square, therefore we have n equal to four sides and therefore we have four vertices. So we are interested in the line segments by joining any two of these four vertices. How many line segments are possible by joining any two vertices out of these four vertices? So that number is equivalent to the fact of selecting two vertices out of four vertices. So the number of line segments which can be drawn using these four vertices is equivalent to the fact that in how many ways we can select two vertices out of four vertices. So we can see the 4c2 becomes 4 into 3 divided by 2 into 1, that is 2 will get cancelled, and 6 line segments are possible by joining any two vertices out of these four vertices. And we can check also, because we have only four vertices. This is one line segment, this is second, this is third, this is fourth, and we can join these two vertices and these two vertices. So there are total 6 line segments by joining two out of these four vertices. Now we are interested in the number of diagonals. So we know that these four sides are not diagonals. So out of these line segments, 6 is the number of line segments which we can construct by joining two vertices out of four vertices. So out of these 6 line segments, this n equal to 4 line segments are sides of the square. So they are not diagonals. So we are subtracting the number of sides out of total number of line segments which we can construct by joining any two vertices out of four vertices. So this becomes 6 minus 4 equal to 2. So we know that there are 2 diagonals in a square, which is a polygon with 4 sides. Similarly, we can check for pentagon also. Pentagon is a polygon with n equal to 5 sides, and therefore we have 5 vertices. So we have to find the number of diagonals in a pentagon, that is in a polygon with 5 vertices. So how we can find out that number? So first we draw 5 vertices. Suppose these are the 5 vertices, and first we will count that how many straight line segments we can draw by joining any 2 out of these 5 vertices. So that we can do in 2 ways. So that is equal to 5 into 4 divided by 2 into 1, and that turns out to be 10. And we can check that whether 10 line segments are there by joining any 2 vertices out of these 5 vertices. So first we join all these. These are the 5 vertices, 5 sides. Then from this vertex, this line segment is possible. Okay, we can join this vertex with this, and this vertex also. Okay, this is just for understanding. Then this vertex can be joined with this vertex, with this one, and we can join with this also. Then this vertex can be joined with this vertex and this vertex also. Similarly, from this vertex we have this line segment, and now we can check what is the total number. So for that, suppose this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So we can see the number of straight line segments which can be constructed by joining 2 vertices out of 5 vertices. That number can be obtained by taking number of combinations of 5 vertices, taking 2 at a time. So this we can directly find out by using the formula of number of combinations of R objects out of N objects. So we can select 2 vertices out of 5 vertices in 5C2, that is 10 ways. That means we can construct 10 straight line segments out of these 5 vertices. Using these 5 vertices we can construct 10 line segments. Now out of these 10 line segments, we know that not all line segments out of these 10 line segments are diagonals. So which line segments are not diagonals? So the sides of polygon are not diagonals, and we know that in pentagon we have 5 sides. So we have to subtract number of sides out of these 10, and that is equal to 5. So this we can generalize for any polygon with n sides. Now suppose we have a polygon with n sides. So n is the number of sides, therefore we will have n vertices. So first we find out that how many straight line segments are possible by joining 2 vertices out of given n vertices. Again I repeat, first we are finding the number of straight line segments by joining 2 vertices out of given n vertices. That is equivalent to select 2 objects out of n objects, and that we can do in NC2 ways. So NC2 is the number of straight line segments which we can construct by joining 2 vertices out of n vertices. Now out of these NC2 straight line segments, the n sides of the polygon are not diagonals, so we have to subtract number n out of NC2. So let me write properly. Number of diagonals will be equal to total number of line segments by joining two vertices out of given vertices minus number of sides of the polygon. And if we simplify this, nc2 is nothing but n into n minus 1 divided by 2 minus n, and this turns out to be n square minus n divided by 2 minus n, and this is equal to n square minus n minus 2n divided by 2, and if we simplify this we obtain n square minus 3n divided by 2, and we can take n common and we have n into n minus 3 divided by 2. So this is the formula to find the number of diagonals in a polygon with n sides, and it is n into n minus 3 divided by 2. Now we can use that formula here. Suppose we consider this pentagon, that is n equal to 5. So number of diagonals must be equal to 5. So we can use that formula. Formula is n into n minus 3 by 2. If I take n equal to 5, then n minus 3 is 5 minus 3. So this is equal to 5, and we can see we have seen that there are 5 diagonals in a pentagon. Similarly, we can check for square. In square we have 2 diagonals, so we can use that formula directly. For square we have n equal to 4. So number of diagonals is n into n minus 3 divided by 2. So we have 4 minus 3 divided by 2, and 4 into 1 divided by 2, that is equal to 2. So this is general formula for finding the number of diagonals in a polygon with n sides. So they can ask you to write down answer of this question. Find total number of diagonals in a polygon with n sides. So you should write systematically. We are writing for arbitrary n sides. So here I have written all these things systematically. I have written that a polygon with n sides has n vertices, and we can join any two of these n vertices to obtain either a side of the polygon or diagonal of the polygon. Now the number of line segments obtained by joining two vertices at a time, that is equivalent to the fact of number of ways of selecting two vertices out of n vertices, and that is equal to nc2, which turns out to be n times n minus 1 by 2. These are the total number of straight line segments which we can construct by joining two vertices out of given n vertices, and that we have obtained by considering number of combinations of two objects out of n objects. Now out of these n into n minus 1 by 2 straight line segments, there are n sides of the polygon which are not diagonal. So to find out the number of diagonals, we have to subtract number of sides of the polygon from this number nc2. So that I have written here. Therefore the number of diagonals of the polygon equal to n times n minus 1 by 2 minus n, and after simplifying we obtain this formula for finding the number of diagonals of a polygon with n sides. So this is nice question. It was asked in summer 2025 exam to find the number of diagonals in a polygon with n sides. So remember this formula also. Sometimes they can ask you to find out the number of diagonals in a polygon with n equal to say 50 sides. They can give you the number of sides or number of vertices, and using this formula you can find out the number of diagonals in a polygon with given number of sides. So this is all about this session. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.